Hi friends and subscribers, this is Mehmet Sheikh, and in this video I will discuss about another tool of web SEO tricks, which is meta tag analyzer. Okay, so this tool, meta tag analyzer, is very helpful for the SEO developers to rank their websites on the first page of widely used search engine, which is Google. Okay, and you can easily rank your website in any other search engines as well, like Yahoo and Bing, if you know what is meta tag analyzer. Okay, so while developing the web application or websites, at the time of development itself, you need to keep in your mind that you have to rank your website on top of the search engine. Then only many people will come to know about your website, only if that website is designed in such a way that it can be easily understand and locate and find by the widely used search engine like Google. Okay, and Google or any other search engine will easily identify or find your website only if you have written the meta tags properly. There are few rules and regulations required for any SEO developer to write meta tags, like meta tag for title, meta tags for description and keywords. Okay, so now what this meta tag analyzer tool does is it will give you a brief idea about the keywords, title and description of others websites. Okay, so suppose if you want to know how your competitors have written the title, keyword and descriptions in their website, then you can easily come to know about your competitors information, competitors title, competitors websites title, description and keyword using this meta tag analyzer. Okay, so with this you will get an idea how to write the title, description and keywords. Okay, so now for knowing the title, description and keywords of any other's website, you just need to click on it, and whenever you click on it, you will get this kind of page where it will display you a text box where you need to enter the domain name of website whose title, keywords and description you want to know. Okay, suppose you need to enter the website name in the same format. Okay, using HTTP // and then the name of the website. Okay, so now suppose I want to know the title, description and keywords of this amazon.in, so that I just have to write that domain name in this text box, and then when I click on this analyze meta tags, then it will display, it will get all the details of title, description and keywords of that particular website from their website, and then it will display you here in this page. Okay, suppose now if you want to know the details of any other website like Policy Bazaar. Okay, so if you want to know, then you just have to type their domain name, and then when you click on analyze meta tags, you can easily see what others or what others have written in title, keywords and description. Okay, like this. Here you can see I have got the details of jabong.com, and I have got the details or the title, description and keywords of infosys.com. okay, so like this you can view the details of title, keywords and description of your competitors. Okay, so you will get the better idea how to write the title. If you follow the way your competitors have written the title, keyword and description, then it will be easier for you to write the title, keyword and description for your website as well. Okay, so it will somehow it will going to help you in ranking your website on first page of Google search engine. Okay, so this is everything about meta tag analyzer. Okay, so if you use this meta tag analyzer tool, it will surely going to help you. Okay, and these tools are designed only to help the SEO developers, okay, who wants to rank their website in major search engines like Google, Yahoo and Bing. Okay, so that's everything about meta tag analyzer. I hope you like this video. I hope you got some useful and valuable information out of this video. If you like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends, and I will see you guys in my next video, and thanks for watching.